Okay, so I have another exercise for the prostate here. We're going to be starting with our right foot on our left knee and our hand in front of us, palm facing up. While inhaling, we're going to pull on the ankle towards us and turn to the right. And on the exhale, we're turning the palm face down and coming back. So on the inhale, turning, pulling on the leg, inhaling, contracting the anus and the pelvic floor. And then exhaling, palm down, coming back. And imagining that exhale that's coming out is all of the toxic, turbid chi coming from the prostate and going out into the earth. We'll then recycle and clean that up. That's step one. Step two is to do the same thing, but we take a deep breath, then we hold the breath, and then palm up, turning, contracting, anus and pelvic floor, pulling on that ankle, coming back and exhaling. So that's one repetition. Inhaling, contracting, pulling the leg. Exhaling toxins, steam, coming back. Inhaling, holding, palm up, turning to the right. Coming back, exhaling. Making sure every time that we're turning that we're contracting pelvic floor and the anus. And so we're going to do that 18 repetitions. Once you've done 18 repetitions on the right side, then you're going to go to the other side. Palm up, pulling on the leg, turning to the left, inhaling, contracting the anus and the pelvic floor. Exhaling, steam and toxins coming out of the mouth. Inhaling, holding your breath, palm up, turning, contracting anus and pelvic floor, coming back, and exhaling, steam and toxins. And again, another little visualization to go with that. So we're inhaling, contracting anus, pelvic floor, pulling on the leg, exhaling, steam and toxins. Inhaling, holding our breath, palm up, turning, contracting, and imagining fresh chi, energy, blood going and nourishing, healing the prostate, coming back and exhaling. Again, that's going to be 18 repetitions on this side. So one repetition is one inhale, exhale, and one inhale, hold, exhale. That's all one repetition. So you can try that once a day, coupled with other exercises, and that's a great way to help get things moving in the prostate region.